Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE2, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So here we got the paper box. Inside of this box we got one more paper box, and here we can see only the SIM check tool and some paperwork like the quick guide, safety information, warranty cards here. And inside of this second section we got only the charger brick and USB-C cable, and unfortunately we have not here any adapters to the headphones, so you should buy the adapter separately. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.